What's in your golf bag?
Hello, junior golfers. How are you today? I hope you guys doing well. Today, I would like to talk about what should you have in your golf bag. I brought two different golf bags to show you. The one is 7-year-old golfer. The other is mine. I have a big helper, 7-year-old golfer, Yuna. She brought her own bag today. Let's see what she has in her bag. Driver, hybrid, 7-iron, pitching wedge, and putter. And glove, and golf balls, and golf tees. I believe this is a perfect bag for all beginners. And let's see my golf bag together. First, golf clubs. Driver, 3 wood, 3 hybrid, 4 hybrid, 4 to 9 irons, pitching wedge, gap wedge, sandwich, and putter. And towel. One side is wet and the other side is dry. And golf glove. Golfers usually wear one glove on their lead hand, which is more guide, and the other hand is more feel. We can get more consistency from wearing glove on the lead hand. And golf hat, extra golf balls, sunblock, snack and water, board marker, and pivot fix tool, and liner and Sharpie marker. And extra jacket. Rangefinder for measuring distance. Thank you for watching today. If you have any questions or comments, please email or text me with your name. And don't forget to watch next video. Can you name each part of golf club? Play golf and have fun today.